Good afternoon and welcome to the Holmes Avenue Street Project meeting. Thank you for joining us. Please be advised this meeting will be recorded. A recording of the meeting will be available via the Cleveland Water Department YouTube channel. Please share this information with neighbors who are not available for this live broadcast. Following the presentation, you will be welcome to enter your questions in the chat. The meeting coordinator will read the questions to the project manager for response. It's now my pleasure to introduce the project manager for this project, Matt Sprons.
Thank you, Sandra, and good evening, everyone, and welcome to the public meeting for Cleveland Water's Holmes Avenue Water Main Replacement Project. Thank you for joining us this evening. This evening's agenda will be opening remarks, project description and overview, traffic, parking, and contact information, questions and comments, and closing remarks. A project summary. The total project cost is $1,530,000. The contract for this work was awarded to Terrace Construction Company. The construction begin date is 8/15/2024, and the construction end date is estimated to be at 10/31/2024. The project will be replacing the water main along Holmes Avenue from 152nd Street to St. Clair Avenue. Project features. The project will include water main renewal on Holmes Avenue from East 152nd Street to St. Clair Avenue. Installation of 2,027 linear feet of new 8-inch main, replace valves, fire hydrants, and service connections, restore pavement. Pavement restoration, curb to curb is included. Traffic, parking, and contact information. Traffic and parking. Contractor's typical work hours are from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. City ordinance allows the contractor to work until 7 p.m. Traffic and driveway access will be maintained while construction is underway. Residents will be notified in advance of changes. Water service and fire protection will be maintained throughout the project. There will be a temporary service connection on this project. Parking on the street is not permitted during construction. No parking signs will be posted and cars will be towed if they are left on the road. Cleveland Water Project contacts. Matt Sprons, that's me. I'm the project manager, and my contact information is shown here. Cleveland Water's inspector is Mike Anzalone, and his contact information is shown here. Mike Gento of Terrace Construction Company and Tim Leap of Terrace Construction Company are the project managers for Terrace Construction Company. Their contact information is shown on this slide, as well as the after hours emergency contact line and the Cleveland Water emergency phone number. And thank you. That concludes the presentation for the project. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask at this time.
I'm not seeing any questions in the chat, Matt, so that concludes our meeting. I want to thank you for joining us today. If you require additional information, you have our contact. The meeting recording will be available at Cleveland Water's official YouTube channel. Have a nice evening.